Ma'am, identification please. Here you are. Phone and bag on the scanner. Okay, all set. Before he entered this building, what exactly was the federal government accusing him of?
They were charging him with sex trafficking of minors and conspiracy to commit sex trafficking. Federal charges.
Let's go back. This didn't start in 2019.
No, it started years earlier.
In 2005, local law enforcement in Palm Beach began investigating allegations that he had paid underage girls for massages that escalated into sexual acts. The case was presented to federal prosecutors. That agreement granted immunity to him and unnamed co-conspirators.
Yes, it limited federal prosecution in Florida. He pleaded guilty to state charges.
Served roughly 13 months in county jail. Work release privileges.
Allowed to leave the facility for hours. Arrangement was heavily criticized later.
Because it signaled leniency. In 2018, investigative journalism revived public attention. Survivors came forward again. Southern District of New York then pursued federal indictment.
Different jurisdiction, different prosecutors.
July 6, 2019, arrested upon landing in New Jersey. Federal agents seized electronic devices, CDs reportedly labeled with references to girls and ages, hard drives, documents, photographs.
Evidence collection was extensive. And bail? Court ruled him a flight risk due to wealth and international connections.
He had access to private aircraft, multiple residences, significant resources. Federal sex trafficking charges require proof that minors were recruited, enticed, transported, or maintained for sexual activity, often involving interstate movement or coercion. Interstate activity triggers federal jurisdiction. The indictment described recruitment patterns, payments, use of associates to bring minors. Yes.
The language indicated conspiracy, meaning alleged coordination.
And conviction could have meant?
Decades in federal prison.
When he arrived here, where was he placed?
Special housing unit, separate, restricted.
Because of profile?
Yes, high-profile inmates are often separated for safety and monitoring.
He was placed on suicide watch after an earlier incident.
Yes, suicide watch means constant observation, no standard bedding.
Psychological evaluation.
Yes, after assessment.
Walk me through his daily schedule.
Sir, wake-up call around 6 a.m. Morning count. Breakfast delivered to unit. Limited recreation, typically alone or controlled. Legal meetings if scheduled. Reading, writing, reviewing documents. Afternoon count, evening lockdown.
Minimal, especially in special housing.
Yes, frequent attorney meetings.
He was preparing his defense.
Yes, frequent attorney meetings.
Who could see him?
Primarily legal counsel. Attorney visits are protected communication.
I see. No unsupervised social visits?
Not in that unit.
Every visit logged?
Yes.
August 10.
Early morning. Found unresponsive.
Official determination?
Suicide by hanging. But 2 guards were later charged for falsifying log entries. Yes, scheduled checks were not completed.
And cameras?
Some cameras reportedly malfunctioned.
When a high-profile inmate with powerful connections dies under those conditions, public
Suspicion and proof are not the same.
multiple investigations concluded no evidence of homicide.
Yes.
But trust in institutions was already fragile. The system before the cell matters. 2008 plea agreement, 2019 federal indictment, seizure failures. Procedural failure does not automatically mean conspiracy.
But it does demand scrutiny.
Yes. Tomorrow, we examine the physical space, the cell itself, its dimensions, the structure, the final hours.